Have you heard the phrase, timing is everything? Well, my timing was completely wrong on this particular product. StartRC just reached out to me to do a review of this bag, which is specifically designed for the X5 camera. I've been loving my Insta360 X5 camera so much that I brought it to Africa with me, but without any convenient way to carry it. So it was an absolute mess. I had parts and all different kinds of things, and this would have made life so much easier. So talking about this, let's talk about the basics. First off, I love the over shoulder kind of functionality, because if I'm shooting and I want to get to something, I turn it around here in the front, or if I just want it someplace secure out of the way, I just walk around with it like that. While we're talking about convenience and easy things, this has a unique magnetic latch. You just pull this, it unhooks, you take it off. That's all there is to it. And then when you want to put it back on again, all you do, magnetically hook it. How cool is that? All right, let's do a little what's in my bag. So let me show you what's in this little bag, which again, I don't think I mentioned it, how cool looking it is. I love that they included these orange accents, like the handles for the zippers here, the stitching here. Speaking of stitching and mounting, see how this mounts in 2 points? So much more comfortable that way, because it doesn't just tug on you from the back. It evenly pulls across the bag, so it is much more comfortable on your side. I know I said over my shoulder, but if you really wanted to be super nerdy and do the fanny pack, you could do that, or you could do the ultra nerdy front fanny pack, functional but ultra nerdy. Let me show you how I ended up using this bag. So first off, on the front, I stored all the things that I would regularly want to go to, the wires, the chargers, that kind of stuff, easily fit in a nice big, easy to access pocket here. If we go into the main section here, there's a whole padded section where I keep my cool X5 camera, makes me very happy. In the back here, there's a section where I keep my ND filters back there. In this main section here where you see all that stuff in there, I carry multiple, and if you have this Insta360 X5, you'll know you'll need multiple sets of replacement lenses, because these things scratch and it ruins everything a lot. So I carry multiple sets. They all fit nice and securely, safely there. And then here in the final pocket, there's a zipper pocket here, and this is where I safely store all the memory cards for the camera. When I was actually in Africa, truth be told, I actually ended up with a whole bunch of different GoPro accessories, which I used to mount this on, and they all fit in here easily and nicely also, but I thought I'd keep it simple, just the pure Insta360 X5 gear in my bag, showing you how it all fits in here, including 2 different sets of lens replacement kits, ND filters, the camera itself. If you had extra batteries, there's slots for the extra batteries. All goes into this beautiful bag. If you're looking for a bag like this, you cannot possibly go wrong. There's a link here on the screen or down in the description below. If you use that, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help out the channel a little bit. So I'm gonna say thank you. Ooh, while I'm doing this, if I've added some value to you, would you please give the video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and if you have any questions about this, or if you wanna know what Africa was like, you wanna see those videos, put it in the comments below. I'll share that with you. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.